Black people in the United States are at the highest risk for cancer death.
The root issues include disparities in health care, exposure to risk factors, and underrepresentation in research and clinical trials. Jessica Matthews is currently battling a rare cancer typically found in younger Black people at a late stage with bleak survival rates. More research is needed to improve treatment, and as our Keitha Nelson reports tonight, while focused on saving her own life, Matthews is also intent on helping to save future generations.
Treated with the strongest form of chemotherapy.
My entire life, I've always had long, thick, heavy hair.
Attacking Jessica Matthews' body is one of the deadliest kidney cancers.
This is another chapter in this journey.
Diagnosed with renal medullary carcinoma in October of 2024, for months, what she saw in the mirror wasn't someone with a disease. But now,
it feels so real now because my appearance is changing.
According to MD Anderson Cancer Center, less than 1% of kidney cancers are diagnosed as renal medullary carcinoma, and few patients survive more than 2 years.
I've been preparing my two youngest sons, who are 11 and 8.
Preparing them for how mom will look, not for the outcome doctors predict.
Even though my cancer is a very rare, aggressive cancer it's only small studies been done on it, I want to survive it and be a survivor.
Tends to affect a higher proportion of the African American community.
Dr. Bhavana Chapman, a radiation oncologist with Cancer Specialists of North Florida, explains research and clinical trials are underway to improve care for patients such as Matthews, but representation matters.
A lot of the clinical trials they don't represent the diverse population that we see in the actual community, especially among cancers that disproportionately affect certain races.
Black people are more likely to develop RMC because the sickle cell trait is most common in this group. Matthews does not carry that trait. She is among a group of people whose bodies historically have been abused for medical advancement, leading to low participation in medical trials.
I feel there needs to be more study done.
This Navy veteran and mother of 3 is described by family and friends as selfless. She's making it a point to participate in research studies and clinical trials available. Her blood is being collected and used for research. The plan currently in place is to remove Matthews' right kidney and any cancer found. That too will be used for medical research.
That's the only way we're gonna figure this out. We have to figure it out together. Clinical trials, any type of studies, yes. We need to be a part of those conversations.
She says it took way too many tough conversations for her voice to finally be heard, recalling doctors initially assuming she had some sort of kidney infection. And one doctor insisted the excruciating pain she experienced was muscle spasms.
I wasn't being heard, and I kept advocating for myself.
Dr. Chapman encourages patients to contact a patient advocate, a nurse navigator, or social worker if you don't feel comfortable talking to your doctor directly, or bring along a friend or family member to help speak on your behalf.
It's perfectly reasonable to advocate for yourself and leave no stone unturned.
Now faced with an uncertain future, she's determined to reflect not what's seen, but what she knows to be true.
She has a battle to fight, but with my faith, it's not my battle. It's not mine. God is my protector. He's going to heal me from the inside out.
And that was Keitha Nelson reporting. Jessica celebrated her 49th birthday on January 25th. She'll be heading back to MD Anderson in Texas at the end of this month for more tests. She says the plan is to remove her right kidney with a 10% curable rate.